Hey everybody, how's it going? Geoff Shackley here, drum instructor with Freeway Music. And today we are going to start a small series on fill of the week. So I'm going to come up with a fill each week, show it to you, and you can take that home and do with it as you please. Hopefully you like it and you want to put it into your regular rotation. But let's get started with this one here today. So we're going to be looking at a 2-beat fill. Okay, just 2 beats long. The cool thing is that it is phrased in such a way that you can keep repeating it over and over and over again. You can put it on loop, which is pretty cool, pretty useful, especially if you get in the middle of a big solo or something and you just want to hold on to a phrase for a while to get the crowd amped up. Having a nice repeatable phrase is fantastic for that. The subdivision for this one, we're looking at 16th note triplets. 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet and triplet, 3 triplet and triplet, 4 triplet and triplet. I dare you to say that fast. That is such a tongue twister, it hurts your mouth. So, 16th note triplets, and it is a combination of a standard 6-stroke roll and singles. Pretty straightforward. So a 6-stroke roll, for those of you who don't know, you can start on either your right hand or your left hand. It's a single, 2 sets of doubles, and another single. So we're starting with our right hand today. So it's going to be right, left, left, right, right, left. And you're going to want to accent those single strokes. So it sounds like this. So pretty straightforward. 6-stroke roll. We're going to voice the 6-stroke roll. We're going to play our right hand accent on the floor tom here. We're going to play our doubles over here on the snare drum, nice and light. Think ghost notes, okay? And then our left hand accent is going to be up here on the rack tom. So it will sound like this. So you can even repeat that phrase on its own if you really want to, which I might later when I show you some of this in regular examples. Then the next part here is going to be the single strokes. Those are pretty easy. Remember, we're thinking of 16th note triplets, so we've got 6 notes in total. It's going to be right, left, right, left, right, left. That one is going to be voiced snare, rack, 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 floor, floor. So if you look at like tom 1, tom 2, tom 3, we have snare 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay? Like so. So you can repeat that part as well. So that's a cool thing about this fill. Not only is the entire thing repeatable, but each half of it, if you split it up into 2 halves, is also repeatable, which is cool to add a little bit of different flair to it if you really want to. So why don't we put the whole thing together? So again, we've got, I'm going to use this number system again. So we have 3 snares, snare, 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 1. Snare 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 3 snare, 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 1, snare 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So let's play it slow a couple times and speed it up. So there you have it. There's the fill in its basic form all by itself, and you can hear right there that it can be repeated. It's a really simple repetition. When you end the fill, you're right where you need to be to start it all over again. So you don't even have to do any crazy crossovers or weird reach arounds or anything like that. It is just straightforward. So why don't we put this in context with the groove a little bit and see how it goes. So there you have it. There's our fill of the day. Simple 2-beat 16th triplet note pattern. But it's great to throw in there. Quick fill in and out. You can do it once, do it twice, do it 1,000 times. People might get a little bit bored if you do it 1,000 times. And then I tried to also show you how you can take, as I mentioned earlier, each half, and you can put that on repeat a little bit and then throw the whole thing back together, just so you have a couple of different contexts for it. That's going to be it for this week. Again, if you guys have any questions or anything in particular that you would like to see, please leave a comment. Let us know, and we will do our best to do a video of what you're interested in. Until next week, we'll have another fill then. I hope you guys keep staying safe, keep practicing, have fun, and just enjoy yourself. Till next time, bye guys.